Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a search bar or search engine bar in Google Sites. And this is how the results looks like. If you click on a result, it shows up here. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first visit sites.google.com. Then enter the website you want to add your search engine bar on. This is my website in Google Sites, and let's say that I want to add a search engine in here below this navigation menu or below this. Okay, let's delete this header section. Okay, now let's delete also this location and then add a space, yes, a spacer here, place it here. Okay, delete also this one, and okay. Now first thing I will do, I will add a big title here. I will call it search this website. I will make it a big title, center it, and place it here. Okay. Now let's see, how to add the search bar. It's simple. Go to Google and look for this word called programmable search engine. Let's zoom on it. Look for programmable search engine and visit the first result from Google and click on get started. And now let's create your search engine. First, let's name your search engine after our website name. So I will go to settings, custom domain, and this is my website name, benstutorial.com. Okay, what to search? You can use search specific sites or pages or search the entire web. In my case, I want the search engine to only search my website pages. So okay, you can add any of the following. For example, you can search individual pages. For example, you only want to search 2 pages. You can insert them this way. You can also search the entire site by following this way, parts of the site, or the entire domain. In my case, I want to search the entire domain, so I will go following this format. I will paste it here, then copy my website name like this. Make sure no space is added. Now click on add. Now that the what to search field is added, scroll down to search settings. You can include images and also enable safe search. Check this box next to I am not a robot and hit create. Your new search engine has been created. Now copy this code like this and go back to Google Sites and click on from this insert tab, click on embed. Switch from by URL to embed code and paste your code here. Click on next, click on insert, and now your search engine is added here. Let's place it below search this website, and just like this your search bar is added. Don't forget to hit the publish button, and let's view the website live. And this is the search bar. I think there is a way to delete this enhanced by Google. Okay, let's search for it. Click on custom. Okay, let's search, for example, Ben's tutorial. Click on search, and as you see, those are the results only from my search, or only from my website. As you see, all of those pages are from my websites. I think it's not the downside of this search engine method is that the results are coming from indexed only from indexed pages on Google search engine. Okay, if a new page is not indexed yet, it will not be shown here. I think this is the only downside. But since you have a website, it is automatically indexed by Google. This is an image. Those images are my website has those images. Okay, let's see how to customize this search engine. Click on customize, basic, description, go to search engine ID. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video, an audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons, and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking, and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors, and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Okay, let's see how to customize this search engine. Click on customize, basic, description, go to search engine ID, search features. You can customize the region for your search engine, sites to search, sites to exclude, look and feel, languages, layout, theme, members, ads, programmatic access. Let's jump to look and feel. For the layout, let's go with full width instead of overlay. Click on get code, copy, and let's add another, not text, embed. Pass the code here, next, insert. Now let's see the difference between, the new, let's keep it above search this website. Click on publish again. Now let's test, let's view my website live. Okay, let's test this, test Ben's tutorial. Click on search. And as you see, the result is this way. When the other theme is shown this way. I think the first one is better. The overlay is better. If you have difficulties seeing your search results, simply go to theme and keep working with the theme. Go to look and feel and keep testing all of those options, starting from layout, specifically layout. Now let's see theme, minimalist, espresso. All of those are I'm looking for search box, and I'm looking for how to hide this enhanced by Google. Preview, search box, button color, refinement, Google branding. I think enable, yes, this is how to disable Google branding. Now click on get code, overlay not full width, click on get code, and let's replace this, needs to be deleted, and let's replace the old one that comes with enhanced by Google with this new one. My bad, it still shows enhanced by Google. My bad, I forgot to hit save. After, I think I only need, okay, let's publish those changes and let's view my website live. I think let's copy the code. Theme enhanced, my bad. Disable and hit save. Above, disable Google branding in the customize section, not in another section called theme. So click on code, embed, double click, select, delete, paste, next, save, publish, return to editor. Since, okay, I will refresh, or let's visit view published site. And this time the search bar does not have the word enhanced by Google. And this is how to add a search feature in your Google site. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.